Oh, look who's right here. Right here is the queen. Hello and welcome to Redbud. We're here by the beehives. We're going to get into the hives. We've got a couple of goals today. One is we're going to get in there and check that the queen is laying eggs. She's been out for a couple days now, so she should have good opportunity to lay eggs. Then the other is we're going to check the feeders. They're hopefully going to be empty. We're going to remove the box supers over the top. And we're just going to kind of check through the lower brood chamber, kind of see where those eggs are hopefully being laid, see what the pattern is, make sure that everything's kind of structured the way it is, or the way it should be. And you know, I kind of started off and I made a mess of things, so we'll see if the bees have straightened it out. Okay, so these are the frames that have all the activity. So we're going to look here for the queen. So we're going to make sure to leave these frames over the hive just in case the queen drops off. She'll be in the hive. Well, I see that a lot of workers head into the comb. Okay, so I'm going to look for eggs while I'm looking for the queen. Okay, not very much here. A little bee doing a dance. Probably telling somebody where good food is. Hopefully it wasn't the food that was at the top of the hive there. Okay. I don't really see the queen, and I don't see several bees with good amount of pollen on their legs. They call it a pollen cage or something like that. So put this back, and let me take a look at this next frame. These two frames are the highest density of activity. Okay, so not a lot of comb on this frame just yet. Got some good comb over here. Oh, look who's right here. Right here is the queen. She's a little bit longer, and when she moves through, the bees part. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful she is right there. She's a lot longer than the average bee, average worker. Okay, so So there's a good amount of comb around where she's at right now. Okay, so I'm not seeing any eggs, but I see the queen. So that's very encouraging. So basically, I'm done. I've accomplished what I wanted to do. So I wanted to see either the queen or find if she's seeing eggs. Now, I didn't see evidence that she's laying eggs, but she's here, and that's really all that matters. She may take a little time to start laying some eggs. All right, so let's get these bees back in shape, kind of restore the bee space so that they can get back to work.